bold features. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD, but we did see it converge. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory, and we're now below the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $1,927.70. With the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD, and as with the trade idea, we'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $169, and my sell target is at $184.35. My stop loss is at $164. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $189.12. My sell target is at $174.29. My stop loss is at $194.71. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold features has a 47% chance to climb between 0 to 6%, and a 5% chance to climb between 6 to 11%. To the downside, it has a 42% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%, and a 5% chance to fall between negative 6 to negative 11%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.